Thank you, Mr. President. Colleagues, I want to thank the House for sending this bill back so I, as a Fulton County senator, can correct the record in my position on this. This bill does nothing more than force Fulton County to pay for Donald Trump's legal fees. Mind you, this is the case in which Trump spent millions of dollars, of course. So if this bill passes, my constituents will have to bear the cost of paying his legal fees. As my colleague from the 26th very eloquently said during the line of questioning, the reason why this case was even brought was Donald Trump called our Secretary of State and asked to find 11,779 votes. This bill is just another opportunity for this body to try to attack the prosecuting attorney in this case for having the guts to bring a case forward on someone that was breaking the law, even if that someone was the President of the United States. In addition to that, our members of the majority party talk about the responsible use of tax dollars. But a bill like this has been put forward that does nothing but direct our tax dollars away from Georgia. As a senator that represents citizens of Fulton County, we should not be paying Donald Trump's legal fees for trying to break the law in this state. I understand some people have allegiance to the president, and some people voted for him, and that is your right. But do not force my constituents to pay his legal fees and those who tried to break the law along with him, including folks that were sent here by Kanye West. We should not be paying for their legal fees. And so I strongly urge my colleagues to vote no on this bill because we should not be paying for a billionaire's legal fees. And so, Mr. President, I would yield, but I strongly urge and remind folks that we have folks in this state that are struggling, and their tax dollars, hard-working tax dollars, should not be sent to Mar-a-Lago as a result of anything that happens with this case. They should fight this case in the court of law and not by making constituents that had nothing to do with anything that was done make them pay for anything that happened when a phone call was made. And so with that, Mr. President, I yield the will.
Senator from the 55th.